Hello everyone. Today we are going to show you how to download a Canva presentation. If you want to present offline or share your slides, we will guide you through the best export options. Let's get started. On your Canva dashboard, for example, here is your presentation. If you want to download it to your PC or save it offline, here's what you need to do. Simply click the Share button in the upper right corner of your dashboard. Once you are there, you will see your download options right away. Just click on this option. Now, you need to choose the file type. If you want a PDF, standard, or MP4 type of presentation, just select the one you need. For this example, let's choose PDF standard. Then click Download. As you can see, it is now downloading. Wait for the download to finish on your PC. Once it's done, you can check your file. Here is your Canva presentation as a PDF file. That's how we download a Canva presentation. With just a few simple steps, we can save and share our slides.